Hello everyone, my name is Greg and I dev stuff. Welcome to episode 31 of the Tactics game in Unity. So in the last episode we have made it so you can place characters in the placeable positions when you set up the scenes before the battle. But right now we are using find object of type to communicate to the unit placement manager. Instead, we will use ScriptableObject to pass the information to the unit placement manager. Instead, we will use ScriptableObject to communicate between combat stage placement nodes and the manager. We will use ScriptableObject as a container for information to pass to the manager. Let's hide public fields which we are not assigning in the editor. So we need to create a scriptable object called placement node list. Set it to be scriptable object. Add create asset menu attribute, so you will be able to create instances of the placement node list in the editor. Create a list of nodes. Then make a clear method, which will clear the list of all nodes in the list. And make a method to add nodes into the list. Good. So instead of adding the placeable unit node directly to the manager, we will be adding this node to the list instead, by creating field for the node list. And calling add on start, making the nodes self-report into the list. So now inside Unit Placement Manager, instead of storing the nodes, we will use the nodes list. Create the field for the placement node list. And we need to clear this list when we begin placing our units. We will be using list of nodes from the scriptable object. And when we are done placing our units, we want to clear placement node list, which can be done when we unload Unit Placement Manager out of our memory. So inside on destroy, call placement node list.clear. Good. Create and reference the list of nodes. This is it. This just should work now. I'm sorry for a very long absence of this series. I hit an, let's say, mental block on this series My apologies. Good, this is it for this episode. If you have any questions or any ideas about code, please leave your comment below. If you want to support me further, you can find link to my Patreon in the description. With best regards, see you in the next episode.